Hi, everyone. This is Chris from Iron Pony Life. And on our podcast, we talked about me getting a new pair of Indie Ridge boots. I have a previous pair that I've had for almost a year and a half, and then these boots have done me well. But there's a couple issues with these boots now. I had a couple minor situations with my motorcycle where my foot got caught in a couple of spots, and and I explained that on the podcast. One was at Proof 124 in Lawrenceburg, Indiana, where me and my wife were on a motorcycle and we tried to do a U-turn out of a parking spot because there was a train going over the tracks, and my foot pegs in the front on the left side, I got caught in the blacktop and kind of made us drop the bike. At that time, my foot was underneath the saddlebag and the actual highway bars in the back that was protecting it, but it ripped the back of my boot, and it also put some stress on the back of the boot back here. So I decided that I treat boots like my helmets, and I think it's time for a new pair of boots, even though they're only a year and a half old. Now, I wore these boots every time I rode a motorcycle. These are the ventilated one. These are the actual Knights, and they're really cool in the summertime when you're riding. The air goes through it when you're, riding down the road, and it kind of cools your feet down, which is great. Now, if you had waterproof boots, your boot would get really hot, extremely temperature sensitive, and you would start sweating and stuff like that. But these boots have done me well, and my wife, for Father's Day, got me a new pair. Now, Indie Ridge had a deal, which is no longer happening, but they had a deal that if you buy a pair of boots, you would get a new pair of gloves free. So let's open this box and see if these gloves actually fit, because I've never wore Indie gloves before. So Indie Ridge gloves. All right. So I do have a top view window here. Let's see if we can get this thing working. All right. So the box is a little rough. You gotta love UPS sometimes. Right. And hopefully there's not a lot of peanuts in here, but there might be. Who knows? Let's make sure I get this thing. There we go. All right. Yeah, the gloves are right on top, so that's what it's kind of being a little gentle for. Okay, so let's check out these gloves first. And then there's the box for the Indie Ridge. All right. All right, so I've actually never looked or saw these gloves before. And it comes with a nice bag. It looks like kind of waterproof. That's awesome. Set that to the side. And then you come with another nice bag. How they got these going in here? Should we just open them up? Yep. All right, good. And I got the extra large. Congratulations, you found us. Now it's my job to keep you coming back. One way I do this is offer a actual customer service. All right, so there's a card. I'll lay that there in case somebody wants to read that. But this is a nice bag. It's a nice bag. All right. So they're wrapped really good. The ones I wanted was I think all black, but I think they were sold out at the time. And there's extra large. Okay, so yeah, these fit nice. Wow, I like these. Nice and tight. I mean, I got to break them in a little bit. Looks like it's a denim fabric up here. Got some knuckle protection. The good thing about the touch. Let's see how good that works. All right, I got my phone here. Yeah, Face ID. Here, let's do this. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Touch is good. That's good. I like that. So far, I think these gloves are normally, let me see what these are normally cost here. I can actually use my mouse with the glove. That's good. Website, come on. All right. The gloves are around $85 and they're 5 stars. I mean, it's on their website, but right now I'm looking at these gloves. These gloves are pretty nice. Got some pattern right there. Pattern up here. Oh, there we go. Nice freaking pair of gloves. Thank you, Connie. All right. So give me a second and I'll bring the boots up. All right. So there is the box. Pretty nice. Sorry about the flashing lights there, but that's how it is with LEDs. But here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. Nice little artwork on the front. Oh, it says something on the side here. You do what you can for as long as you can. And when you finally can't, you do the next best thing. You back up, but you don't give up. Chuck Yeager. Awesome. All right, so this actually goes this way. All right, cool. Here we go. Oh, we got something else. Got something else here too. We got find out. So they gave us a I think it's like a neck gaiter, I believe. Oh, I didn't even know they were going to give this. Huh. So there we go. It's a United States flag. Sweet. Awesome. Yep. That's what it is. Indy Ridge on the side here. All right. That's pretty cool. Then you got the book. Congratulations. You found us. Like I said earlier, Live Free 800. Get extra 10% off. Favorite lead guitarist. All right. You also got exchanges and stuff like that. And if you don't like the boot, you can return it. They also have a warranty on them. I probably got my boots warranted, but I decided not to because I like these boots, and I think I'm going to use them. I'm going to abuse them like that. I got to pay for them. So, all right. So the first boot comes out. All right. So I'll tell you a little bit about these boots here in a second. Let's get this package out of here. All right. So this is the Knights. Okay. And I think the Crows are kind of the same boot, other than it's considered waterproof. Okay. And these have a very good rating. So let me see if I can get this rating here. And certifications. So I got it here right now because I had the gloves up. So you got the tag up here, Indy Ridge, Los Angeles, California. Ventilated. It's got like a little, I don't know exactly what that is, a piece of the leather there. These are all leather. And some of the specs on these things: 100% full grain leather. They're ventilated. Rear pull strap right back here. Okay, that comes in handy because one thing I can tell you about these boots, you got to unlace them and you got to spread these laces out because they fit really tight. But they're also one size wide because these boots are made to expand as you break them in. So they might be a little bit tight when you first get them, but you got to break them in, okay? Rigid TPU for toe and heel protection, ankle protection, hard rubber ankle caps. And right here is where that is. Right here, you can see it pretty much. They're right there on that little spot. Sewn all the way up and down. This is what let's do this. Let's go back to the camera here. And this right here is the sole. It's kind of flat, but it's got a little bit of a grab there. Crush resistant. The weight of the boots are 3 pounds. And dual direction rubber. So that's what that is. You got one direction, you got the other direction on both sides. So these boots are European certified, and they're the top-rated certificated boot that you can buy, pretty much. There's nothing else. So, well, I'm going to put these boots on here in a few, test them out. Hope you like these review and unboxing. I'd give these boots a solid 10. Believe it or not, a solid 10. And the reason why is because I wear these boots every day. I'm not sponsored by Indy Ridge. Never got anything free other than what I just got in this box. We paid for these boots. I know the price is going to be going up. I don't know what the price is right now because they got the new certifications and it costs a lot of money for that. Right now they went up $10. So they're at $195 right now. But I'm telling you, there's not going to be a boot that comes close to this. No Alpines or nothing. I mean, these are very great, very good boots. I will wear these every single day I'm on the motorcycle. Now, the only thing I have to get the waterproof ones sooner or later because in case I have to ride in the rain, it'd probably be very beneficial. I did ride in the rain on the way home from Pennsylvania when we went to Gettysburg with the group, and I didn't have no issue with the boots getting wet or soaking wet. I mean, it was just minimum rain. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Please like, subscribe us on YouTube. Hit that bell notification. I'll try to do more reviews in the future. Hope you like this one. Have a good day. Thank you for watching the video. Now, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification for our next video. We also have podcasts on YouTube and also on Spotify. So please check them out. We're up to 16 videos now, podcast. So enjoy and have a good day.